What comes to your mind if I ask you the question, why Khan Academy? Why we are using Khan Academy? Just raise your silent hand and answer. Yes, Agatha.
To get answers step by step.
Okay. Yes.
To practice whatever we learn in our classrooms.
Okay. For practicing. Any other thoughts, Sheza?
To clear our doubts.
To clear our doubts. Can someone tell me how Khan Academy is different from other online tools? Like we use quizzes, word wall, live worksheets, some other tools also, no? So, yeah.
Khanmigo does not give direct answer. Khan Academy does not give us direct answer. Others have given us direct answer, and we do not learn like how the answer is coming step by our own.
Okay.
On Khan Academy, our chats are private and on other tools aren't private.
Okay. So, like other tools, can you give me
Like
an example?
ChatGPT, Gemini.
Okay. So, chats are private.
It provides us many different hints and methods, and it helps us just like a real teacher or a friend.
It helps us like a real teacher or our friend. Okay. Okay. Today I am going to introduce you prompt science. Can someone read it quickly? Yes.
The skill of writing clear, specific prompts to get better answers.
Prompt science is the skill of writing clear and specific prompts. Why clear and specific prompts are needed? To get better answers. AI is there, but how we are going to prompt, how we are going to ask the questions, it will reply accordingly. So it is a skill asking questions to AI, right? So can you share your experience? आप कानिगो से बात करते हो और बीच में ही चैटिंग छोड़ देते हो, उसके साथ इंटरेक्ट करना छोड़ देते हो, क्यों छोड़ देते हो? I want some other hands raised, please. क्या आप अंत तक लास्ट तक कानिगो के साथ चैट करते हो?
No, sometimes.
Sometimes, okay? बीच में क्यों छोड़ देते हैं हम? कानिगो के साथ हम जो चैटिंग करते हैं, इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, बीच में क्यों छोड़ देते हैं? ये शो.
We don't get sufficient time.
Okay,
Sometimes.
that could be the possible reason. Some other reasons? Yes.
Because of sometimes we are not specific for the prompts, and Khan Academy give us something different, so we get irritated and we just.
You get irritated. Why do we get irritated? किसी को हुआ है इरिटेशन हुआ है कि क्या चल रहा है बाबा, ये इंटरेक्टिंग हो रहा है? यस मामिया, प्लीज शेयर.
क्या हुआ था मैंने तो गलती से ना लस्सी का मान डाला पे तो उन्होंने बोला था गलत है मैं बोला सही है नहीं उन्होंने डाला तो बनती पड़ेगी.
ओके
हैंग आ गई.
ओके, तो आपने बीच में छोड़ दिया क्योंकि आपको लगा आप सही हो और खाने को गलत है. ओके, आप ओके. नाउ यू हैव सीन हियर two things, vague prompts and clear. There is a difference between prompts. Some prompts are vague. Now, here are some prompts given to you. We will discuss it one by one. If you feel it is a clear prompt, you will show thumbs up in there. If you feel it is a vague prompt, you will show thumbs down. Yes? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Explain how to solve 2x plus 3 equals 11 step by step. Thumbs up, most of the thumbs up. Okay. Any thumbs down? Okay. It is a clear prompt. Okay. Tell me about math. Thumbs down. Any thumbs? Thank you. So it is a vague prompt. What is the difference between an expression and an equation. Clear? Everyone feels it is clear? Okay, good. So it is a clear prompt. Solve this equation. 2, 3. थम्स अप कितना है? पहले थम्स अप दिखा दो मुझे. थम्स अप कितना है? 1. Okay, there is 1 thumbs up for this equation. Okay, can someone tell me? Can you help Affan to understand why it is not a clear but vague prompt? Only Affan says it clear prompt. Yes, Sunny.
Because Khan Academy will not understand which type of equation and what is the equation.
Can you tell?
Khan Academy will not understand what type of equation it is and the equation.
समझ गया? क्या समझाया आपको? बताओ सर. हाँ, चलेगा.
साइंस मैंने बोली कि कौन सा क्वेश्चन है वो नहीं मालूम.
क्या यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन किया है? इस क्वेश्चन में आप देख सकते हो एग्जाम्पल विथ एग्जाम्पल उन्होंने स्पेसिफिक बोला है. यहाँ पर वैसा कुछ है नहीं है. देन इट इज अ वेग प्रॉम्प्ट. समझ में आया? ओके, कैन यू रिफ्रेम इट? इसको तुम क्लियर प्रॉम्प्ट में कैसे बदल सकते हो? एनीवन ट्राई अदर देन सानिध्या. इसको क्लियर प्रॉम्प्ट में कन्वर्ट करना है. ये वेग प्रॉम्प्ट है, इसको क्लियर में करना है. कौन बताएगा? ओके, चलिए. हाँ
3x plus 11
हाँ
is equal to
हाँ
20.
हाँ. So solve this equation. 3x plus 11 is equal to 20. Step by step. When you look at this question, what different questions come to your mind? We will take those questions. Quickly tell me what questions come to your mind when you read this question. Tell me. I will collect those questions. ये क्वेश्चन रीड करने के बाद आपको क्या क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा है? यस.
What do radius and circumference mean?
So what है ना क्या क्वेश्चन है आपके? What is pi? Okay.
How to solve it?
How to solve?
Step by step.
Yes. Thank you so much. Is your question clear or vague? You said how to solve it. Okay. एक minute. Sanidhya said how to solve it. Is this question clear or vague?
Vague.
It is vague. How can I make it more clearer?
How to solve it step by step.
How to solve it means what?
How to
Division 22 upon 7 equation.
solve that equation?
How to solve the given question? We can say here. How to solve the given question?
Step by step.
Step by step.
What does radius and circumference mean? So now I am sending the question.
The radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the edge. It's like drawing a straight line from the middle to the outside.
Getting it or not?
Yes.
What?
What do you mean by it? Okay, so we will ask to Khan Academy.
Okay. So Kandigo has given us the definition of radius. Yes. And उसने हमें कुछ keywords बताए. उस keywords में से एक आधा keyword हमें नहीं समझा. ठीक है? Like सानिध्या से उसे मीनिंग नहीं समझा. age, ed, ge, age का मीनिंग नहीं समझा. At that time, what was supposed to do?
Ask Khan Migo.
That was the prompt. I don't understand. Can you explain me in simple language? You are asking for simple language. The language Kandigo was using was not very clear to Shiva.